Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how to generate invitation card. I mean any invitation card. It doesn't matter whether it is a birthday, it is married, or anything else. As long as it is an invitation card, I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to create a very professional invitation card by yourself. All right, it is easy using AI. All right, so before we begin this, if you know you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to keep updating you with good informations like this. If you are going to generate invitation card, any type of invitation card that you want, we are going to use two different AI apps to do that. All right, so first of all, we are going to look for the Chat GPT, and we are going to use Gemini. So you need to get these two apps together, Chat GPT and Google Gemini, as you can see them up here. All right, so I'm going to open my Chat GPT like this. This is my Chat GPT, and as you can see here, what you are going to do is you are going to ask Chat GPT to generate a prompt for you. Probably when you try to generate prompts by yourself, you are going to have some mistakes, and you are not going to give a straightforward and the professional way of generating prompts. All right, so you give Chat GPT go ahead to do that for you. What you are going to do is you are going to ask Chat GPT, all right, help me with a prompt, help me with a prompt, to generate what? To generate invitation card. Wait, let me write wedding invitation card. Let's write it a professional wedding invitation card. All right, make it look amazing and beautiful to see. All right, so as you can see, ChatGPT is not going to generate the photo for you. It's not going to generate the invitation card for you. It is just going to give you the prompts. All right, I just going to get prompts from this. All right, so the next thing I'm going to add here is I'm going to add the dates, because we are going to write name and dates there. So add a space for dates, for name, dates, time, address, name, time, address, and what else? I think that's all. All right, so if you have anything that you want to add here, you need to write them here. Then you are going to send it to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can create a prompt for you. So here is the prompt that ChatGPT creates for me. A luxurious professional wedding invitation card design, vertical layout, elegant and timeless style, soft ivory background with subtle floral accent in gold and blush tones. So here is the prompt. All right, so we are going to copy. So as you can see, we are just going to copy this prompt that ChatGPT created for us. We are going to copy this prompt like this. All right, we are going to put copy, then we are going out here and we are going to open our Gemini. All right, Gemini AI, Google Gemini. Then you open your Google Gemini like this. So as you can see, we are going to paste that information here. We are going to paste the information like this. All right, so I'm going to write the name here. Here is the space to write the name. If you want to write the name here, couple name, so person. Let me write Adam and Khadija, for example. All right, I'm just giving an example. Wedding date 05 January 2026, 01 2026, time 11 a.m. in a.m. For example, address somewhere in the world. Somewhere in the world, that's the address. So I'm going to just send it. All right, so as you can see, this is the information. I have written the name and every detailed information that I'm going to give to the AI. I have write it down. All right, the information is there. So now we are going to see what we have created. So as you can see, this is your invitation, as you can see. All right, there is no that huge details on it, but it looks beautiful. Look at it, very beautiful and classy. All right, Adam and Khadija request the pleasure of your company Wednesday, May. So as you can see, this detail is very little. It has a very little detail on it. Is because that's the information I give. If you want more details, you need to write it on the prompt. You need to add it on the prompt while you are trying to generate the prompt from ChatGPT. All right, from ChatGPT, make sure you give ChatGPT all the informations that you want to see. Probably you can get another invitation from some. Copy everything on that invitation and give it to ChatGPT. It is going to generate a very classy and very good invitation card like this. Look at this, it looks so amazing. Look at this design, it looks very classy. All right, so this is how to do it. It's very simple, easy and clear. All right, so if you really do enjoy this video, and I'm going to keep dropping more and more AI tutorials for you guys, for beginners. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and share with others. All right, thank you for watching and peace.